In this lesson, we'll learn how to construct angle 120 degrees. 120 degree reconstruction step is similar to that of 60 degree. So we're going to do a straight line. Now we want the 120 to be on this reference point. Let me call this my reference point. So with the compass, the still point of the compass on the reference point, there's a still point on it there. We open the pencil point to a convenient radius, then make an arc. Going to make a complete arc. Now, recall from our previous class on construction of 60 degree. If we are constructing 60 degree, we will place the still point here now, and then cut the arc here. Cut it here. But since it is 120 we want to construct, we will place the still point outside the line. That is at this point here. Place it here. Make sure you don't close the radius, don't close the compass. The radius, the same radius we used to make this arc, is what we used to cut the arc. I think the still point is there right now. Can't see it clearly. Okay. So we cut this arc, and where the arc meets, we join it to the reference point, which is this point. Okay, I think we are there now. We join this point together. Let's confirm that. Is this good enough? I think that is good enough. Let's use a protractor to confirm this. Let's see. Almost there. That is 120 degree.